So assalamu alaikum guys. Today I have really important topic. You know, lots of students wants to speak English fluently, and that takes time. But if we include the habits that help us to overcome from these bothering things, then it can be little bit easier. So I have a really brilliant topic. So you can just do this and you can be confident in English, and as well as you can get little fluency as well. And my topic is about build a habit to speak English in your every day situations. But if you can't speak everywhere, then you can just do this. You can speak phrases, you can speak words that help you to overcome from the uh, difficulties. uh, we can talk English, but we just say to ourselves that we can't, and that is our big problem. And if we have to overcome from that habit, we should do this. We should speak. It doesn't matter how you can speak, it's matter how you will speak. If you are speaking wrong, then you will be speaking right after a while. Yes, that can be happen if you include English in your daily life. I used to speak lots of sentences when I was learning, and that helped me. And I have learned lots of phrases and words till now. But I still want to learn more and more. And that is my passion. I'm passionate about the English, and as much as you will be passionate about something, you will get it easier, you will be comfortable with it. Like me, you know what, I'm still learning English, and I don't say that I don't make any mistake. I do made lots of mistakes, but what I do, I don't stop speaking. If I stop speaking, then what will happen? Nothing. I will lose my uh, present skills. I will lose my present skills. And if I focus on speaking continuously, I will get that skills. I will get more skills of English, and that will help me. That will guide you, and this is going to be happen when you start speaking it. It is not like that if you want to speak and you don't want. Yes, if you want to speak English, then that is the only way. You should include the English in your daily life. I have included English in my daily life. Really, you won't believe that in my school I speak English with my every friends and teachers. And if you include these habits, you will really get amazing results, and you can be fluent faster if you do that. That is really helpful topic which I have discovered while learning. And after this, if I have had to talk something about else, then this will be my most important topic. Yes, start speaking. Without speaking, you can't progress. That is the only way I found in my learning journey. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that this video will help you. And today I'm making this video for showing this as well. You can see environment here is really today very nice, because the weather, it is rainy weather here. If I could show you, this is completely very nice. So thank you for watching this video. hit that subscribe button and like me if you like this video. Thank you for watching me.